Hey guys, how's it going? It is CloudyP here, and I wanted to show you the PC build that I did about a month ago. Originally, I was not intending on posting this, but I realized I had enough footage to do a very basic, pretty crappy quality unboxing, and then to show you guys kind of my general process behind building it. And this is the computer that I will be doing pretty much all of my editing on, all of my software for my final year in college, and etc. This will be my main computer from here on out, and everything that I will be using to create the videos I will be posting on this YouTube account following this. So, hope you enjoy. I will be including the full materials list at the end of this video, and also a file in the description for it if YouTube will let me. Also, the beats used in this video and in pretty much all of the videos I will be dropping have been made by a friend of mine. If you are interested in licensing for use these beats, contact my email. It will be down in the description, and it is also in the very first picture in all of my videos. You're seeing now is the liquid cooler I use is the Gamex L240 RGB V2, I believe. So far I have enjoyed it. I've been using this PC for about a month now, and so far it's been working just fine. I've had no problems with it. All of the components worked very well together. Super basic setup. I put the whole thing together in about like a day and a half. I have more fans than I need right now, certainly. I ended up getting I think I had like 8 fans, and I put 6 of them into the PC, 3 as intake and 3 as outtake. I've been a huge fan of this motherboard so far. As you can see the case that I get pretty shortly. I got a mid-range tower case, and this motherboard, it was the ASUS ROG Strix X570-E. It fit the case just perfectly, like corner to corner. Ended up working out really nicely. First, I tried to build this directly into my desk. I wanted to take out the drawers, cut it out, but it turned out to be a bigger task than I was willing to take on, and it was going to require tools I didn't have. So I ended up just going right over to Best Buy, and they had this case in stock that same day, so I grabbed it. It was an MSI MPG series GUNGIR 110R. Sorry if I mispronounced that. But so far I've really liked this case too. It fit everything perfectly. I ended up rearranging the fans and taking out the external the hard drive slot, just because I really didn't need it. I was using thin SSD. Now I have 2 of the thin 1 TB SSDs in, and they're working just fine. I've been using the the SK Hynix Gold P31 1 terabyte SSDs.
Just you and I will speak for a moment. Just you and I will speak for a moment.